In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to email in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a template with a clickable video thumbnail that drives viewers to your hosted video, which is the approach email clients reliably support. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to your dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Content. This is where you manage everything that appears in your messages. Next, open Templates. You'll land in the email library where you can see any existing templates you've already saved. If you notice different tabs for channels, make sure you're viewing the email section so you're working with the right template type. For this walkthrough, create a fresh template. Click Create, and when prompted to choose a channel, select Email. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, then confirm to create it. Klaviyo will take you into the email template editor. In the editor, look to the left sidebar for the video block. Click and drag that block into your layout, placing it exactly where you want the video preview to appear. This block doesn't embed a playable video inside the email. Most email apps don't allow that. Instead, Klaviyo automatically builds a thumbnail image with a play button overlay and links it to your video URL, which is the best practice method for maximum deliverability and clicks. Now, grab the URL for your video from your hosting platform such as YouTube, Vimeo, or another public link where the video lives. Be sure you copy the shareable watch URL, not an editor or studio link. Head back to Klaviyo and paste that URL into the video URL field in the settings panel. Klaviyo will fetch the details and generate the preview. Fine-tune the presentation to match your brand. You can adjust the thumbnail, width, alignment, and spacing to fit your design. If your platform allows a custom thumbnail, consider uploading a high-contrast image with a clear play icon. This tends to improve click-through rates. Add meaningful alt text so that if images are blocked, subscribers still understand there's a video to view. That's all it takes to add video to your email in Klaviyo. Create or open a template, drag in the video block, copy the video's share URL, and paste it into the video URL field. Your template is now ready to use in campaigns and flows, giving subscribers a clean, clickable path to watch your content. Save your changes, and you're set to build engaging emails that showcase your video while staying compatible with all major inboxes.